Hello everyone, another edition of the Ottawa Market YouTube channel. We're here at Zagloul at 425 McArthur in Vanier. Fabulous place in Vanier. And if you're looking for an alternative to KFC and you like fried chicken and fries, you want to check out Zagloul, 425 McArthur, south of Vanier. This is just a takeout version, but this is their chicken and fries, and it's also halal as a bonus. So you want to check out Zagloul at 425 McArthur. If you're looking for an alternative to KFC, that's fast food, you're looking for a better quality chicken, you want to check out Zagloul's 425 McArthur. This is their chicken and fries. And they have a 4.9 rating on Google, so they're highly recommended. And this is the takeout version. So thank you very much for watching another edition of the Ottawa Market YouTube channel and Instagram feed. I invite you to like and this channel and subscribe to it to help support us. And if you have any comments, make your comment below. If you tried Zagloul or any other comment you wish to have, just make the comments below. Thanks for watching another edition on the Ottawa Market YouTube channel. And this is Zagloul in the southern part of Vanier, 425 McArthur, near Halal. Thanks for watching.